Hi, hello, welcome back. So in this video we're going to create a logo design using golden ratio. So I'll just move this golden ratio to the side. So now I'll duplicate one by one circles, all the circles to the center of the artboard. So just move it all the circles one by one. So I'll just speed it up. Okay, once this is done, select all, click on center element in the horizontal and vertical. So now you can see the circle, right? So each measurement of the scale value from one circle to another circle is 1.618. It's a mathematical calculation which is usually standardized used in creating in a logo design. So I'll import this image which I'm going to create a logo for this. So I'll just scale this. So I'll get this logo for a new layer. So bring that layer below your circle. So just match the first base circle, that is which is bigger. So now it is matching there. So next I'll just bring this down. So now what you need to do is lock the layer of the image layer, take another new layer, bring the circles one by one and match wherever the curves are placed. So duplicate the curves or the circle. So you need to match. So there's in the head there's a curve, right? So in the same way I can duplicate the same circle for the you can see now. So there is a small circle, right? And it is also overlapping with this circle. So let it get overlap. Later we can merge that, or we can remove the unwanted area. Okay, keep on adding for all the circles. So here you can see this circle is little more bigger because the curve is little more bigger. Either you can increase the circle, or you can duplicate and you can keep multiple times. You can increase the circle size, or else you can keep it in multiple times. So I'll just speed it up. So now it is done. Now what you need to do is select all the circles, take the shape builder tool. So if you want to remove the unwanted area, hold Alt and just click and drag, or if you just click also it will delete, or you can click and drag for multiple shapes where you can delete it. So you can see here, hold Alt and delete it. So there's some small mistake, we need to add one more circle. Okay, now I'll just delete this. To merge, don't hold anything, just click and drag in your left mouse button. If you want to delete, you need to hold Alt, or else not required, just click and drag. Don't merge the beak part to the head part. Zoom and work so that you can, if any small shapes left out, you can merge that also, or you can delete that also. Okay, now it looks fine for me. Now if you see, there will be lots of anchor points, okay, which is unnecessary. So what you need to do is means you need to take the pen tool. Once you take the pen tool, press the minus button in your keyboard, then click on the anchor point. So you can see you, before you clicking, hold shift button so that it doesn't damage the shape. Hold shift and click. First take the pen tool, then press the minus button to delete the anchor points, and hold shift and click the anchor point. Don't click on the handles, you can't delete. You should click on exactly on the anchor points. So I'll just speed it up the process. Okay, now you can see we got perfect curves, right? So like this you can delete the extra anchor points which is not required for us. Now let us add the colors. I'll add the bit dark green color in mid tone of the green color, sorry, red color. I'll add the red color for this, and for the beak I'll add the yellow color, some a bit bright yellow color. So now just hide this one, the head part. Now we will add, create the eyes. So again take the circles and adjust it for this eye part. Adjust it properly so that you will get the exact shape. Again select everything, take the shape builder tool, repeat the process. Hold alt to remove the unwanted area. So this is done. Now let us add the color for the eyes. I'll add the yellow color for the eye tone, and for the eyeball I'll add the red color. Red or black, anything is fine, but black will be good. Okay, so our logo is ready. So like this you can create any logo, the base logo. Now you can make a group of the logo and you can copy to anywhere for any poster, any work. So like this we will create the logo using the golden ratio. I hope you guys understood. So much more we'll see in the next video. Thank you.